am using the Beauty Glazed Color Fusion eyeshadow palette. I start off by drawing in the shape of how I want the eyeshadow to be. Next, I start to fill in the shape. I completely forgot to put a base on my eyelids, so if you do end up recreating the look, it would be best to do so to get a more consistent eyeshadow overlay. Next, I underline the bottom of my eyebrow using the same blue I used on my eyelid. Now I'm making these dots using my matte liquid eyeliner. I am trying to tap into my creative girl makeup era, but the struggle was so real trying to make these snowflakes. I'm using these lashes I found on Amazon. Next, I am priming my face with the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. Then I go in with my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation in the shade Cappuccino. Next, I conceal my under eye using the Rimmel London Stay Matte Concealer. I totally missed blending in my top left brow. Your girl is blind. I then bake under my eye using the Huda Beauty Easy Bake Loose Baking and Setting Powder. Using the same eyeshadow palette, I take the pink eyeshadow and use it as a blush on my cheeks and nose to give it that cold look. am lining my lips with the Wet n Wild lip liner and then going in with my NYX Lingerie lipstick in the shade Pushup.